Alright, today is Sunday, beautiful sunny day, and we are heading off to the first Cars and Coffee of the year. If you hear my voice, it's pretty grainy. That's actually because I've literally just come back off a cruise and didn't really get much sleep, so my body's attacking itself at the minute. But nonetheless, today's going to be a wicked day. Here's some of the boys' cars. Check out Nebs' car. Beautiful. We actually just threw some MCA coilovers in it, so it's sitting at a real comfortable height now, so she doesn't scrape and bottom out on Sydney's beautiful roads. But man, she's got some power, this thing. Check out Jack's absolute goddamn giant killing, exotic killing, Japanese killing machine. This has got to be the most beautiful looking and sounding Golf I've ever been in. Absolute work of art, Jack. You champion. Happy stance, stay lowered. Check this out. Look at that sticker placement. Ricky's bagged E30. If you don't believe me, wait until we get to the show. Wait until you see him drop this thing on rails. Now we move on to Steiny's car. STI packs a real punch. Sounds like a WRC car as well, this thing. Sticker placement. Ricky, drop it. Yeah. Look at that. Laying rails. Hey ho. Hey ho.
Yeah, follow me.
Off to wherever Cars and Coffee is, we go.
Clark's Point.
Clark's Point. Bye bye, Maccas. I'm on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Hands too high on the wheel. Not good, brother. Oh, race car driver. Oh, we got Neb's vision. There's always one person who does not know how to drive through a green light. Jack?
Nah, mate, it was red.
Oh, really?
And it's a red light camera too.
I'm sorry, I retract all of my comments. We've got 10 minutes left until we get there. Oh, NSX hunting. Love it.
On the sign, so we'll go.
Yeah, grab on the sign. Alright, we are here. Ugh. Nice and wet. Let's go check everything out. Welcome to Cars and Coffee #1 for 2016. Let's go see what everybody bought out on this beautiful Sunday.
Mud and cars.
Mud and cars. If anybody can slide this whole hill on their belly, I'll give them 10 bucks. Prime suspect #1. Ricky's laying low, mowing the grass. That thing is so sick. Look at the tuck. Yeah.
Clean, man.
Dude. Shit.
Carbon's done everything. Yeah. I did it all myself. You did it yourself? Yeah. Sick. Woo. Good job, man.
Leave me hanging, bro. Yeah.
Speed for life.
Cobra. Cobra. Squad goals. Ultimate squad goals. With an R35. Nebs has already found his favourite car of the day.
Yeah, mine.
But I claimed it for him. Look at that. Yeah, boy. That is so sick. Man, we're going to see some cool shit today. Lucky I wore me gumboots today, hey. Aren't you happy you wore your gumboots as well?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the Woolwich skid pan. Oh, shit, we got a Sierra. Yeah. Because Space Shuttle, courtesy of, no, that's not a Voltex wing, is it? Yeah, I think it's a Voltex wing. Everybody's out here. I actually really like that without a wing.
Yeah, it looks sick,
Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Cool banana beans. I like this car now. Not 2 Doritos, but 3. Look at the size of that turbo. You guys may or may not remember this car from my first Blitz Speed episode. This is Patrick's old 911. Yeah, he was taking this around Wakefield at Bozo's Day at the end of last year.
Yeah, fennel.
2 NSX. Oh, it's a 700 kilowatt one. Mud's getting pushed out from every angle. Okay, here's Euro Heaven. Oh, Tesla. I am. That's not Euro, but I still like it. Very nice VF. This is like prime positioning. 650S. That's rad. Let's just admire. This is seriously absurd, guys. Seriously absurd.
Burns Bay Road, pretty much.
Check it out. New i8. Looks like a concept car. Oh, oh. So you've got Enviro supercar and all-round family supercar.
Me Reiki.
Look at that. M3er. And there's Big Brother M4er. And there's the new C63S and C63S wagon. Check that out. That would be an epic race between these two. The M4 and the C63. I just like the look of the M4 better.
Yeah. I don't know, that's pretty good.
Alright, it's too hot and sweaty out here. So we're going to go and find ourselves some shade. I'm going to watch all the cars rolling on in.
Yeah, that's funny. The rims I want.
For real?
Get them in.
I want those ones as well. Still trying to get in. Look at the lineup behind me. Alright, we found ourselves another car park. Let's go have a look at what we got hiding down here. I like this thing. This thing's gonna look so sick when it's done. Polarizing a lot of people at the minute, but I reckon it's sick. When I saw one colour, those bolt-on flares are rad. Looks like everybody's starting to leave because of how muddy and wet it is. So we got a Diablo. Alright, it is super hot, super muddy, so we're going to head back to our cars now because it looks like most people are starting to leave. Beautiful day, but it's just because of how much rain we had last night, everybody's out, they don't want to dirty their cars. So, yeah, we out here bushwalking and shit. Somebody's been playing in the mud. Whoa. Yeah. That's a really nice custom paint job. Oh look, he's got Audi brakes. Look at that. Yeah, back to the squad. Back to the squad. Ricky Bobby. Yeah, something tells me he's not going to get bogged.
Fuck, mate, careful. Buddy. It's going to sink it.
Look at the shocks on the thing as well. Alright, we're bouncing. We are bouncing. It's way too hot. It's getting stinky and steamy and the mud's only getting deeper and thicker. So, Cars and Coffee, #1 for 2016 was freaking rad, wasn't it, Nev? It was dope. So, we're going to cruise home, have some fun. I'm going to throw together a little video and get some footage up from this, but I only had one battery, so I couldn't really film as much as I would have liked. So, fingers crossed we get out of here. Rock on, guys. Don't forget, hats are here now, on sale, 40 bucks. They'll be up on the website tonight, so support us. Phew.